Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm incredibly excited to bring you an in-depth review of the ASUS ROG Swift 32-inch 4K OLED gaming monitor. If you are looking to buy this monitor then, you may check the link below for the best price available. This monitor promises to deliver top-of-the-line performance and visuals, making it an absolute must-have for serious gamers and tech enthusiasts. Let's dive into what makes the ASUS ROG Swift a game-changer in the world of gaming monitors. First off, let's talk about the design. The ASUS ROG Swift 32-inch 4K OLED gaming monitor boasts a sleek and modern design that exudes premium quality. The ultra-thin bezels on three sides provide a nearly borderless viewing experience, perfect for multi-monitor setups. The monitor's stand is robust and offers full ergonomic adjustments, including tilt, swivel, pivot, and height adjustment, ensuring you can find the perfect viewing angle for your gaming sessions. The RGB lighting on the back adds a customizable touch of flair, which can be synchronized with other ASUS Aura Sync-compatible devices for a cohesive look. The highlight of this monitor is its 32-inch 4K OLED display, with a resolution of 3840 x 2160. OLED technology ensures perfect blacks, vibrant colors, and an infinite contrast ratio, providing an unparalleled visual experience. Each pixel is individually lit, resulting in more accurate and vivid colors. The HDR, High Dynamic Range, support takes the visual experience to the next level by delivering deeper blacks and brighter whites, making every scene in your game look more realistic and immersive. One of the standout features of the ASUS ROG Swift is its impressive 120Hz refresh rate. This high refresh rate ensures ultra-smooth gameplay, reducing motion blur and providing a significant advantage in fast-paced games. Paired with a 0-1 ms response time, this monitor ensures that every action is rendered with precision and minimal lag, which is crucial for competitive gaming. The ASUS ROG Swift supports both NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro technologies. These features synchronize the monitor's refresh rate with your GPU's frame rate to eliminate screen tearing and stuttering, resulting in a buttery smooth gaming experience. Whether you're exploring detailed open-world environments or engaging in intense firefights, the adaptive sync technologies ensure you stay fully immersed in the action. In terms of connectivity, the ASUS ROG Swift offers a comprehensive array of options. It includes HDMI 2.1 ports, a DisplayPort 1.4, and multiple USB 3.0 ports, allowing you to connect a wide range of devices. This makes it easy to switch between your gaming console, PC, and other peripherals without hassle. The monitor also features built-in speakers that deliver decent sound quality, though for a more immersive audio experience, you might prefer using high-quality headphones or external speakers. The ASUS ROG Swift 32-inch monitor also comes with several gaming-centric features. The ASUS exclusive Gampless technology provides in-game enhancements such as crosshairs, timers, FPS counters, and display alignment functions, giving you the tools to optimize your gaming experience. The monitor also includes multiple preset display modes tailored for different types of games, ensuring optimal visuals no matter what you're playing. One of the key benefits of the ASUS ROG Swift monitor is its Care technology. The monitor includes a blue light filter and flicker-free technology to reduce eye strain during long gaming sessions. This ensures that you can game comfortably for extended periods without discomfort, making it ideal for marathon gaming sessions. Setting up and using the ASUS ROG Swift monitor is straightforward. The on-screen display, OSD, menu is intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing you to quickly adjust settings and switch between different modes. The monitor also comes with ASUS's DisplayWidget software, making it easy to customize settings using your mouse. In conclusion, the ASUS ROG Swift 32-inch 4K OLED gaming monitor is an outstanding choice for gamers who demand top-tier performance and stunning visuals. Its sleek design, high refresh rate, low response time, and advanced gaming features make it a top contender in the gaming monitor market. Whether you're a professional gamer or someone who takes gaming seriously, this monitor has something to offer for everyone. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.